Hey guys, Jaron Craig here, and welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, we're going to tell you about an explosive new pool that just dropped on Iron Finance that's powered by the good boys at DFYN. This is called the ICE USDC pool, and I jumped in it for research purposes. I've been making hella rewards. The last I checked, I think it was like 6,000% APY. So let's get started, guys. Okay guys, so first of all, make sure you're at app.iron.finance in one of your wallet browsers. This will take you to the home page. You'll see the TVL and a bunch of other details about the Iron Finance. Then you're going to go to this hamburger button in the top left corner. And go down to your farms. This will show you the amount of ice that's in your wallet at all times, as well as the amount that you can harvest. Scroll down, go to ice.usdc, click on that. Then first of all, you'll want to add your liquidity. So click add your liquidity. That'll take you to DFYN. You'll make sure you have ICE and USDC. If you don't have those, go up here and swap for those. We'll put in 12 ICE, that's equivalent to 35 USDC. And we're gonna push approve ICE. I'm gonna bump my gas up because this thing's slow today. Alright, it looks like the ICE was approved. Now we're going to approve the USDC. I'm going to bump this way up so it goes faster. Alright, looks like the USDC is approved. Now you just click supply. This will tell you your details here. Confirm supply. Now our supply is confirmed and added. So we just go back to Iron Finance. Go back to the farm. Max out your LP tokens. Click approve. Looks like it's approved now. Now we click deposit. And the token should now be depositing into our farm. It looks like it's complete. Now we should begin earning rewards. Now you can see how many LP tokens I have deposited, what the TVL is, APR, etc., etc. We'll refresh it. And that, my friends, is how you set up the ICE USDC pool. If you guys thought this was helpful or informative, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to Cryptology, and have a good day.